So now that we found our distance from the building to where we were standing and measured the height from our eyes to our feet and found our angle measure, we can now plug these into the tan equation, to the tangent equation, and solve and find out what our total feet, or what our total height is for the roof to the ground. Now, our angle that we found again was 65 degrees, and our height to eyes is 5.2 feet, and distance from our building to us was 36.3 feet. Okay, so now we're going to take 65 degrees and subtract that from 90, which equals 25 degrees. So we're going to plug it into our tan equation, which is 25 degrees equals our unknown height divided by 36.3 feet. So, since we're trying to find the unknown height, we're going to set up our equation like this. H equals 36.3 times tan 25 degrees. Right. When you have this all set up, you're going to get a number like this. 16.926968. And if you round that to the nearest tenth, you'll get 16.93 feet as your height. Right. Now that we know the height, we want to know the total height of it. So we're going to take our number that we just had in this equation. We're going to do 16.93 feet plus 5.2 feet, which gives us 22.13 feet, or 22 feet. So this was done with our homemade clinometer. So when we looked up at the building, or at the roof, we got a number, or an angle of 65 degrees. Now we're going to use a app that I found for Android and Apple. It is a angle and clinometer app, and we're going to actually test the height of the building, or the angle of which we looked up at, and we're going to get a close to exact measurement. So we found an angle of 51.5 degrees, and we're going to take our height to eyes and distance from building like the last time, and we're going to still use that. Alright, so again, you're going to plug in our new angle, which is 51.5 degrees, subtract that from 90, and you get 38.5 degrees. Then you're going to set up your equation again. Tan 38.5 degrees equals H, unknown height, divided by 36.3 feet. Now, because we don't know the height, we're going to put it like this. H equals 36.3 times tan 38.5 degrees. After you set it all up, you should get a number like 28.8743.238. Total height now, we're going to find that again. So we're going to put 28.87 because we rounded this number, plus 5.2, which was our height to eyes, equals 34.07 feet, or 34 feet. Now, what you're going to do is, since our question was, how far or how accurate was our measurements? So, our measurements from our handmade clinometer to our digital one. Alright, so I was off by 12 feet of the height of for the height of the building, and 13.5 degrees off when measuring the angle. Now, in order to find this, I'm just going to go back to the very beginning, and I'm going to take 22 feet, and I'm going to subtract that from our one we just found, which was 34 feet, which is how I get 12. And then same goes for the angle measure. You're just going to take your previous one, which was 25 and subtract that from 38.5, and you should get 13.5. That's all for today. If you need a further explanation, try this on your own without the answers given, or try one on your own. Have a good day, stay safe, Grace out.